Here's the box the typewriter came in. This is a hole that was punched in the side of the box where the typewriter roller was protruding. This is just the stuff that was used to pack the typewriter. Here's the typewriter, the Underwood Typemaster, sitting on the kitchen table. Hope you don't mind the Christmas decorations. Here is a close-up of the roller handle. You can see how it was broken and cracked. Here's a piece of it that came off. Doesn't really turn anymore. The broken handle turns. If you squeeze it all together, you can get it to turn, but this is definitely broken and would have to be replaced. Would probably have to buy a similar typewriter for parts and try to swap that piece out. The biggest problem with the typewriter is that it just doesn't type. Nothing moves if you hit any of the keys. Just nothing happens. The plantain doesn't move. The space bar is jammed. Let me see if I can zoom up a little bit here. The space bar, nothing moves. This is the auto space. Hitting that does absolutely nothing. The issue seems to be from underneath the typewriter. This entire mechanism somehow got damaged. Let me zoom in a little bit. This part here, I don't know if you can see it, but it was completely off and has been bent. And even when it was put together, nothing moved. If I disconnect it, which I can easily do with my finger, because these levers have been bent out of shape and broken, plantain, the roller will then move, but it just moves of its own. I'm not even doing anything. Let me show you here. There we go. You can just let go of it. No hands, and it's just completely broken. I'm sure a skilled repairman could fix this. Oddly, you can sort of kind of type on it now when this mechanism underneath has been dislodged, but that's just broken, thoroughly broken. No space bar, no auto space, just essentially a typewriter I can't use. I've actually never seen one broken in this particular way. It's a shame. It's a beautiful typewriter, a real piece of 1960s Art Deco. That's why I bought it. The keyboard, clearly the keyboard would be excellent to type on if it typed, but it doesn't type.